In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects in a video on CapCut. Open CapCut on the web or in the app. Both work great for this. Once you're in, start a new project. Choose Create New and set the canvas to 16:9. That widescreen format is the standard for most social platforms and looks clean on desktop and mobile. If your video was shot horizontally, 16:9 will fit it perfectly without black bars. Next, bring in your footage. Add your video to the project and place it on the timeline. If you're working with multiple clips, make sure they're in the right order and trim to the length you want before you add sound effects. It's easier to match sounds once your visuals are roughly in place. You can also zoom in on the timeline to see frames more precisely. That helps you line up effects with specific moments, like a click, a pop, or a transition. Now head to the audio section. This is where all your audio tools live, and the sound effects library is just a tap away. Select sound effects to open the built-in collection. You'll see categories like transitions, whooshes, ambience, and more. Use the search bar if you have something specific in mind, or browse a category that suits your scene. Hover or tap the play icon to preview as many as you like. It's normal to test a few before you land on the one that fits. When you find the right effect, add it to your timeline. You can click to insert it at the playhead or drag it directly under the clip where you want it. Place it near the visual moment it's meant to enhance, like the exact frame of a cut, a text animation, or an on-screen action. From here, make adjustments so the effect blends naturally. Drag the audio clip left or right to fine-tune timing until it feels locked to the visual cue. Trim the ends so it doesn't overlap into the next beat unintentionally. Adjust the volume so it complements, not competes with, dialogue or background music. Lowering the level slightly often makes it feel more professional. Add a short fade in or fade out to avoid harsh starts and stops. If the effect is part of a repeating pattern, duplicate it and space the copies evenly. For subtle emphasis, layering a quiet, low whoosh under a heavier one can add depth without adding clutter. Play back your edit and listen all the way through. If anything sounds too sharp, too loud, or late by a frame, nudge it and test again. Keep your mix clear and consistent, and you're done. That's how you add sound effects in CapCut with precision and style.